Every woman is special, special in her own beautiful way. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I Shreya Katyal welcome you all to today's talk. I'm standing at Taj Vivanta and today we are celebrating women. We are celebrating all the pretty ladies. It's Nexus 2018. So today here, many of the pretty ladies are going to walk the ramp, they are going to walk for a cause. So let's go and talk to them. Now, I'm in conversation with Dr. Amit Kaur-Puri, who is the president and founder of AKP Healing. So let's talk to her and know about the beauty of a woman. Hello, ma'am. Today we have this wonderful event that is Nexus 2018. So first of all, my first question to you is how it feels being a woman.
Shreya, I really am privileged to be a woman, and I think being a woman is the best thing because I truly believe women is next to God because the life we are the medium through which life comes on this earth. And there's a saying in Guru Granth Sahib, "So kyu manda aakhiye jit janne rajan." That means women who gives birth to priests, women who give birth to warriors, and the women who give birth to kings should be highly respected. So I truly believe on this concept. Not only men should respect women, but women should also have a respect for other women as well.
Do you realize the importance and beauty of a woman? Okay, ma'am, today we have this wonderful event that is Walk for a Cause. So what is it all about and what this organization is all about?
This organization, Wonder Woman Connect, it is a club, it is an amalgamation of beautiful ladies who are very talented, and this club is organized and founded by my dearest friend Arpana Agarwal, and she is the person who is connecting different women from all the sectors in Delhi, and we are coming together, we are enjoying our life, and the women who feel left out at home, their children are grown up and their husbands are too much busy in their work, so they feel yes, we are having very good support system as a friend, and whatever they want to do, whatever they like to do, their hidden talents, we explore their hidden talents over here, and it's a very good platform for the women who actually want to live their life.
So we know that you are also walking the ramp today. How it is feeling like you're walking today, and what are the feelings? What it is basically about?
Shreya, this is the first time I'm walking on the ramp in this way, but since Arpana has convinced me and I said no, I can't walk, but she convinced me that I mean, this walk is for the cause and you should do this, and yes, I am all ready now, and it was inbuilt there in when I was a child, so I used to walk in front of mirror and all. So I am just back to my childhood, and I am just thinking I am again a child and walking the ramp, and everyone who is seeing or who is watching us walking, they are just like a family member. So no confusion and no anxiety as such. But I'm feeling very happy and thankful to Arpana who has landed me on the ramp.
So you're living your dream. That's amazing. I can see that glow on your face and that excitement. We all wish you a very good luck and just rock it. Okay, ma'am, welcome to this event today, Nexus 2018, Walk for a Cause. सबसे पहले तो मैं यही जानना चाहूँगी कि how it feels being a woman.
हाउ इट फील्स बीइंग अ वुमेन, आई थिंक आई फील वेरी फुलफिल्ड, बहुत कंप्लीट महसूस करते हैं, क्योंकि मेरा मानना है कि लड़कियों के पास 3 एच फॉर हीलिंग टच, एच फॉर गिविंग बर्थ, दैट मीन्स ह्यूमैनिटी, एंड एच फॉर अ हम्बल हार्ट. ये 3 चीज़ें एक औरत के पास ही होती हैं, और शायद जो हमारे पास पावर है दुनिया में एक और जीव को लाने की और किसी के पास नहीं. तो बीइंग अ वुमेन आई थिंक आई एम वेरी प्रिविलेज्ड, और मेरी भगवान से ये प्रार्थना रहेगी कि आने वाले जन्मों में भी मुझे एक औरत का ही रूप मिले.
That is so beautiful, teenage, very well said, and आपने हमारी सेंसिटिव साइड को फिर से एक बार जागृत कर दिया. आज ये एक वॉक फॉर कॉज है, तो ये क्या चीज़ है, क्या कॉज है, और मतलब हाउ यू आर फीलिंग वॉकिंग टुडे द रैम्प?
देखिए, जहाँ पर कॉज की बात आती है, मुझे लगता है कि हम सब औरतों को एक साथ मिल के कदम उठाना होगा. तो ये जो मुहिम अर्पणा जी ने चलाई है, वॉक फॉर अ कॉज, ये हम स्पेशली कैंसर के पेशेंट्स के लिए जो लाइफ फाउंडेशन सुमिता जी चला रही हैं, उसके लिए फ़ंड रेजिंग कर रहे हैं. तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि हम एक जना उतना कुछ नहीं कर सकता. कहते बूंद बूंद से बाल्टी भरती है. तो जब बहुत सारी बूंदें इकट्ठी हो के एक कॉज के लिए काम करते हैं, तो आई थिंक उस कॉज को भी बहुत स्ट्रेंथ मिलती है, और हमको भी एक किस्म की सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलती है कि हमने समाज के लिए कुछ किया.
समाज के लिए कुछ नहीं, बहुत कुछ किया है आज तक आपने, तो अब इसी चीज़ को देखते हुए लेट्स इंस्पायर ऑल द अदर लेडीज, ऑल द अदर मेन ऑल्सो हु आर वॉचिंग दिस टुडे।
जितने भी मेरे भाई इस प्रोग्राम को देख रहे हैं, मैं उनसे कहूँगी कि हमारे पास अगर 3 एच है तो आपके पास 3 एम है। यू हैव द मसल पावर, यू हैव द मोबिलिटी जो हम औरतों के पास 24 घंटे की नहीं रहती, और तीसरा यू हैव द मनी पावर। सो आई थिंक अगर मनी पावर आपके हाथ में है और हम समाज के लिए कुछ कर सकें, अपने मसल्स को यूज़ कर सकें, यानी कि अपनी स्ट्रेंथ से लेडीज़ को सपोर्ट करके आगे ला सकें और उन लोगों के लिए कुछ कर सकें जो समाज में बहुत ज़रूरतमंद हैं, तो आई थिंक एच और एम मिला के बहुत ही बढ़िया एक बैलेंस सोसाइटी में बना पाएंगे।
Very well said and true indeed, because it's not about competition, it's all about collaboration. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for sprinkling so much of inspiration on us and talking to us. All the very best for your walk today.
We are born with special powers. We can do multitasking. We can bear a child, which is not possible. Otherwise, it's a God gift. So for me, womanhood is the most special thing. I would like to be born as a woman in my next birth as well.
That is so beautiful coming from a lady. So that shows the power of women. All you pretty ladies, just remember that you are special. Okay, today you are walking for a cause. It's going to be your ramp walk. How you are feeling?
I'm feeling wonderful. It's always good to support special causes. Today it is for Life of Vision Foundation. I've worked in past also for a lot of causes otherwise, but this particular cause is very special to me. I'm a part of Life and Vision Foundation otherwise also, and when I was asked by Arpana and the entire team to support them, I was really happy.
That's amazing. So the cause is good and the people are also beautiful. The event is going to be rocking. Okay, if I ask you today, if you look at the condition of women, how do you feel and what would you portray through your eyes? Like, what have your findings and observations been?
See, what I feel most of the times women try to scream and shout to tell people that we are there, which I think is not necessarily. If you are very confident, if you have the spark in you, no one can stop you. You don't have to scream on top of your voice and tell people that I am there. No, you can be silent, you can be quiet. Just prove your worth, just do your work, and then people are going to follow you.
So ladies and gentlemen, well-timed silence has more eloquence than speech. So that's really a very deep thought you shared with us, and thanks for inspiring us and talking to us. We wish you a very good luck for your walk.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hello sir, welcome to Nexus 2018. So first of all, I would like to know that what do you believe about the power of a woman?
Well, needless to say, I've been on a different platforms, been telling you that we are nothing without women. Somebody asked me, what is the reason of your success? If somebody thinks that I'm successful, then I said the reason of my success is 3 women in my life. My mother, who taught me enthusiasm and trained me and put me all the culture into me. I am thankful to my sister who promoted me, give me so much of encouragement to study a lot. And third, my wife, who sacrificed a lot, because that was a time when I was putting my best to do something in life, and she cooperated to the best. Now, that's how I always start when I talk about women's empowerment. Time has come when we have to learn how to respect women. We have to believe in them. We have to give them equal space, equal importance, equal participation, and then only this women's empowerment program is successful. We have to learn how to respect women. Very important.
I would like to know that today, after witnessing this event, the Walk for a Cause, how did you feel and what all have you gathered from this event today?
Well, I'm so thankful to Aparna Agarwal, who has invited me as a chief guest. Well, I've done my job as a chief guest, and I think what I've noticed here is that women, they're very excited. They're getting a wonderful opportunity, a new platform to express themselves, whether it's been a modeling or a fashion show or a singing or a presentation or a painting or maybe the NGOs, what they are actually running from their own houses. The fact is that it's very important to give them a platform. And that's what exactly Marwa Studios has been doing. We are associated with more than 100 such organizations which are there for women's empowerment. We have our own body which is called International Women's Film Forum, which is a mother body and supporting more than 100 different kind of organizations.
So that's very important that we should provide a platform to all the ladies, because if women grow, the country grows. So,
Exactly. The fact is that we don't have to forget that women are 50% of our population. If we are 130 crore, don't forget that half of the population is a woman. Very well said that if woman is going to grow in this country, the whole country is going to grow. We're going to do so well in this country because they have talent, they have energy, they have mind, but only thing is that they have not been given a right space, place and importance in all these years. So let's put our efforts together, leave a space for them to grow, and I'm sure we will do much, much better.
what I believe is that it's not about competition but entirely about collaboration. So if we supplement each other, then tremendous growth is possible. Okay, at the end, I would like to have an inspirational message from your side for all the women and of course the men who should support their wives, their daughters, their sisters and everybody, every female.
See, we've been praying God. We have 9 mother goddess in our whole system. Anything we start, we pray with the Almighty, and when we look at the pictures or we look at the details, we find they are women. The fact is that time has come when we must give full importance to women, and I think if all men are listening, then it is a message to them that we must give them full respect, full honor, full place, full importance to be successful in life.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for inspiring us and talking to us. Thank you. Being a woman is a very big strength that can take you to any length. So don't forget to celebrate your womanhood. Celebrate she. That's all for today in today's talk. I, Shreya Katyal, sign off for the day, but I'll be back with another amazing event for you and of course, wonderful people to talk to. Till then, you keep watching MS TV, Har Pal Aapke Saath.